Hello, this is Regina. In SAT, you will get passage-based reading and will be asked to answer questions. There are 3 sections and you will get a combination of short passages followed by a set of questions, long passages followed by a set of questions, and 2 related passages followed by a set of questions, with some questions asking you to compare the 2 passages. The passages are typically narrative, argumentative, or analytical. Argumentative ones usually discuss points of views. Narrative ones are the ones where the author tells a story. Sometimes there's a conflict, and then the author will try and resolve a conflict. The analytical passages are not opinion-based. It is strictly informative and very objective. So how do we read the passage? I would like you to read the passages using active reading skills. That is, to have a question in mind. As you read the passages, you must ask yourself, what is the central idea? What is the purpose? How is the information given? How are the paragraphs laid out? Active reading skill also asks you to visualize or video clip the scenes that you read. Imagine the clothes, the sounds, the smells, feel the weather, enjoy the art, etc. So now let's practice active reading skills. I want you to pause the video now, and when you are ready, press play. Properly speaking, a movement is a continuous collective effort to bring about fundamental social reform. It is a collaborative rather than an individual enterprise. So you want to visualize a group of people. To bring about the social reform, there's probably protests, announcements, etc. Underline the word collaborative here. No matter how many factions are involved, there is always a common objective. Visualize a cause. Freedom for all. Right to vote, etc. The Black freedom struggle of the 1960s was such an effort. Imagine a scene from a documentary. About Black freedom. Its objective was to transform the manner in which Black Americans in the United States were viewed and treated. Imagine segregation. Blacks sitting in the back seat of the bus, or separate buses, or separate schools. You are visualizing it, you're imagining it, you're already there. The Black writers and artists, as a vital sector of the movement, sought to transform the manner in which Black Americans were respected or portrayed in the literature and art. Okay, the reason why we have critical reading sections or passage-based sections is that colleges are looking for students who can read and get the tone, the central idea, the structure of the paragraphs. If a student is able to understand that, then the student can formulate their own style of writing. Students must be able to recognize the writing style and types of writing in the passage. If you're recognizing it, chances are you'll be able to write better yourself. Is the passage out of a textbook, or is it out of a newspaper, or is it an advertising? You must know where the passage might have come from. Very good. And now I would like you to practice your active reading skills. Remember, practice, practice, and practice. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.